Uh, Hello, and now I got a video on how to clean a pheasant. Okay, first you'll need newspapers, so I'll take the newspapers pretty much. Take the newspapers, lay them out, whatever comes out is clean. And you don't need that much on these 4 pieces. So you don't want to get the blood and guts on your whatever for you're using or whatever you're cleaning. I'll do one more just to clear the rest. And pretty much put down. If you guys are watching this is let me upload this video to my new channel. Yeah, so if you guys want to check out my, I'm just gonna fix the camera. 1 second, sorry. Put the, oops, sorry. Okay, I might move this down. Okay, so birds are clean. Yeah, this is how to clean up any small game bird. I'm cleaning a pheasant. So pretty much what you're gonna need . I have a SOG saw. If you can see that knife, it's perfect. It's really sharp. And this guy down here, if you gotta go through stuff. Pretty much what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this. This is the way I like to do it, and you pretty much cut from here straight up like this, and you spread the skin. You rip the skin back, and you pretty much cut the meat back, and then here. So what you want to do is you can take the bird first, take the legs, so you hear a pop. I don't know if you guys can hear that. And you're going to take your knife. Oh, these birds I shot this morning. The 12 gauge Beretta. I'm just going to pull the feathers back. See, the skin just peels right back. Like that. If you can see that, pretty much just peel the skin back like that. And pretty much all the meat you want is the breast. That's the only good part. Oh, it smells really good. It just being sarcastic. I'm going to get these feathers out. And cut like right along here, kind of strip this meat back. Cut that back. Cut that back. And then you pretty much can just cut here. Ugh. There's the organs right here, so you don't want to get into there. It's bad meat in there. Then you pretty much pull that breast. It doesn't want to come out. So take it and cut in there. And you got one more cut. And that is pretty much the full breast right here. And remember, just want to wash it off. Make sure you got no shot shells in there. And pretty much do the same thing for the other side. You can just toss the carcass in the garbage, or if you live on a farm, you can just throw it on your land for coyotes. I'm throwing mine out. I don't want to have to go out and find this in my yard. My yard's a pretty big yard. So pretty much then you just take this and do the same exact thing. And then I have another pheasant, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to finish this one. If you guys please hit that like button, and if you guys have any questions about doing this, please feel free to send me a message or just post a comment on this on the video. It's really not that hard. Just peel the skin back, cut just the breast. But you don't want in the organ area. It's kind of bad meat. And if you guys like airsofting, that's pretty much what this channel is pretty much mostly about. Airsofting, fishing, hunting, pretty much outdoors, kind of stuff like that. Cut that back. What I'm doing with these breasts right here is I'm going to put them in the fridge overnight in a bag with some teriyaki, season it, marinate overnight, and in the morning I'm going to grill them. Pretty much all you got left. I don't know, there's not much more meat left in here. And pretty good. It's pretty much most of it. This side, you see, that's pretty much good. So, thank you for watching, and please hit that like button and subscribe if you have any questions. Please feel free to ask. Thank you.